Mastering subject pronouns in relative clauses. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a very important part of English grammar: subject pronouns in relative clauses. Understanding the functions of these pronouns will significantly improve your sentence construction and overall communication in English. Let's get started. Before we delve into subject pronouns, let's briefly understand what relative clauses are. A relative clause is a type of clause that usually describes a noun, providing additional information about it. These clauses are often introduced by a relative pronoun such as who, which, that, etc. For example, in the sentence, "The woman who lives next door is a doctor," "who lives next door" is a relative clause providing extra information about the woman. Now, on to subject pronouns. They are called so because they replace the subject of the sentence, the person or thing doing the action. In English, subject pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. In the context of relative clauses, subject pronouns can be who, which, or that when they represent the subject of the relative clause. For instance, in "The car that is parked outside is mine," that is a subject pronoun replacing the car in the relative clause that is parked outside. Let's move on to understanding the functions of subject pronouns in relative clauses. 1. Replacing the subject. As already mentioned, subject pronouns in relative clauses replace the subject noun to avoid repetition. The man who just entered the room is my boss. Here, who replaces the man in the relative clause. 2. Connecting the sentences. These pronouns can be used to connect two sentences together into one, creating a more complex, information-rich sentence. I have a book. It has a blue cover. Can be combined as I have a book that has a blue cover. 3. Providing essential information. Subject pronouns in relative clauses often provide essential details about the noun. For example, people who don't exercise regularly are more prone to health issues. Here, who starts a relative clause that gives crucial information about people. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to the functions of subject pronouns in relative clauses. Remember, these pronouns are vital tools in crafting meaningful and enriched sentences in English. Practice them, and you'll find your English language abilities reaching new heights. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to continue this English language learning journey with you. Happy learning, everyone!